Hi, this is Bill, and you are on Finest Travel Beat with Angela and Bill. Today we're going to take you aboard the Celebrity Beyond and a full stateroom tour of Infinite Balcony Room 8265. We will show you around, tell you what we liked about it, what we didn't like about it, and highlight some of the difference between a traditional balcony and an infinite balcony. So we hope you enjoy this video. And this is room 8265. Which ship are we on?
We're on Celebrity Beyond.
For a Christmas cruise. So we want to walk them around and show them the room?
Let's see, we have some storage
Yeah,
on
some
here.
side storage
You get a
down
free
there.
bag.
Yes. Bags you get to keep.
Nice.
Bathrobes you do not.
I thought this opens
No, I
too.
think no, this opens.
Oh, it does
Oh,
open.
oh, there we go.
Right. See, more
So
storage.
more storage up there. Guess that's the Wi-Fi router there, must be.
Yeah.
Some shelves. Kind of narrow. Oh, this whole thing
Yeah. It
opens up into a full.
Mm.
So, I don't know what we'd store there, but we'll figure something
I'll
out.
find a spot for something. And then we have a closet.
Again, the robe you can't take home with you.
Right.
Doesn't come with a backpack either. That's mine.
A little thing over there. I don't put anything on there.
Yeah, a little ledge.
Bag or something. The safe.
Safe. That's a number keypad safe. Probably not large enough for a laptop, but you can put some electronics, your passports, and some cash in there.
Drawer.
Drawers.
So you got 1, 2, 3 drawers.
Now, before we get too much further, the rooms on these, we were recently on the Celebrity Ascent, and everything's kind of controlled here, including the blinds and the glass on the edge balcony, which I'll explain to you later. But there's a video that I'll link in the comments below where our cabin attendant actually explained the whole system really, really well. So rather than repeat it here, I'm just going to have you watch that video and at least first 10 minutes, and she can help you out. Sorry for the pause there, but our stateroom attendant already knocked on the door. We're here like 5 minutes, and he's already checking on us, so that bodes well. But getting into the rest of the video, like I said, the showing you how to work the blinds and everything is going to be on that other video, which I'll link below. Okay, Angela, you want to continue?
Sure. So you got more drawers over here.
Decent storage. We use packing cubes,
Yeah.
so that'll help a little bit.
I'm claiming this.
The whole thing?
You got a mini fridge, but of course you have to pay for it.
Yeah.
Whatever's in
Open
there.
her up, honey. Or is it locked? Yeah, there's some stuff in there. But again, you have to pay for it. But there is a little bit of space there. If you have some cans of soda, something you can put it in there. No problem. Also, when we came in, there is some Evian water and some chips. The chips are not included, and there is a price. What are they, like $5?
Yes.
So you can have a $5 bag of chips, or you can go up to the buffet and eat like pigs all you want.
You got a box over here with USB outlets.
U.S. and European outlets as well. You can actually bring, if you're from the United States, bring in a converter, give you a little more, and you can use that 220 volt as well. Some people do that to get more
Okay,
power
you got a
supplies.
Desk, and I just noticed this slides in.
Ooh, does it slide all the way in, I guess?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you just would have to move the chair out of the way. Oh, that's kind of nice. And then I guess it's a full-length mirror behind it.
Yes, looks like it. Yep.
That's cool. Our shore excursion tickets. Usually, if you book shore excursions through the cruise line, most of the time they'll have them waiting for you in your room. Full-length mirror.
Have the bed with a little more storage.
Now, no power outlets on here. So, again, if you're a is there one? Oh, awesome. So there's so on this ship, or at least in this room, no need to bring an extension cord if you're a CPAP user.
Then you got more storage on this side.
I don't think there's power on this side though.
Nah, I don't think so.
Little pad. Go back to the nice size TV.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely nice size TV. Nice decor.
Very nice.
Want to go back towards the bathroom, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Bed-sized bathroom.
Yeah, nice size sink. Oh, little drawer there. Slides out to keep some of the toiletries. Garbage can. Little space there. Not too bad. There's your hair dryer, right?
Yes.
Yeah, nice shelving in here. Now we're on an 11-day cruise that goes through the Panama Canal. So we have a lot of luggage. Hopefully the storage works out all right. Nice size shower.
Yeah.
Very nice size shower. The bolted in amenities. Some hooks up there. Some hooks over here as well. So if you need to hang things to dry, those are available. Alright. Well, let's show them the edge balcony.
And last but not least, this is the edge balcony.
Now, as you can see, it's a little bit different. These close over. These close over if you want, a little more privacy, or you want to get that outside feeling, because when the window is down, the air conditioning will shut off. So if you wanted to sit out of the balcony, put the window down, then you would have to close these for the air conditioning to work. We actually love it because I prefer having the extra real estate and the extra space to, and that's how they deliver diesel, I guess, by boat. So, as you can see here, and again on the other video, there's a lot more details on it, but there's some, the left side is the blinds, the right side controls the window. So you put that down. And this whole window comes down. And becomes a balcony, which you can look out just like you would on a traditional balcony.
It's a little bit more private too.
Yes. We're going to put this up, and I'm going to show you the blinds really briefly. The one thing that we really liked about this from the last one was how dark the room got with the blinds. Let me just show you, when you press that button, the blinds start coming down here. I'm not going to have them all the way down. And you can stop wherever you want them. But just show you they do, and the room gets extremely dark. Alright, well, before we give you our thoughts on the room, what would we like the people to do?
Follow us.
Hit that subscribe button if you like to see content similar to this. Definitely, if you're getting value, hit the like button. And leave some comments below whether you like, if you've been on one of the Edge class ships, whether you like the infinite balcony better or worse than the traditional balcony. It's always an interesting conversation.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on the infinite balcony?
I love it. I love it. It gives you more space. It's more private.
Yeah, it's, some of the comments on the Celebrity Ascent video we did on our stateroom was that the air conditioning wouldn't work. Well, on a regular balcony cabin, if you leave the door open, the air conditioning shuts off too.
Mm-hmm.
You can't leave your door open; it's all tied in. And one of the other things was that the captain can control these windows. Basically, he can close them and lock you out if the weather's bad. Don't know about you, but if there's waves that are hitting the side of the ship, I'm not hanging on the balcony anyway. So, to me, those are not great arguments. Maybe one of the downsides is you do feel more like you're inside than outside. But I don't notice much of a difference at all. There's plenty of outside. The room's nice. It gives you lots of space. We love how dark the room gets. I mean, you can sleep. It gets like an interior room dark. Yeah. If you close them. So that's about it. Yeah. Thank you for watching. We appreciate the support we've gotten. It's been absolutely amazing. This is an 11-day cruise. We're doing Panama Canal.
Yes.
ABC Islands.
And Grand Cayman.
We'll be doing a full ship tour video on this, and also we'll be doing some port videos on definitely Panama Canal, Grand Cayman, and what we do in the other islands. We'll sprinkle those in. Be patient. It's a long operation to get these things uploaded to YouTube, but again, Merry Christmas,
Yes.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And we'll see you around. And until next time,
come join us
on our next adventure. Bye-bye, everybody.